Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the Snowflake Bow Bundle metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using Prismatic10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. The die set for the Snowflake Bundle looks like this, and it's a really nice die set. It has three sizes: a very large one, medium sized, and a small size. And today I will be showing you how to make this small snowflake bow. It's very cute and very easy to make, and this tutorial is going to be very short. And I used acetate for the bow, so it's sort of like looks crystal like snowflake, and also holographic paper at the back and some gems here, and also this flat back resin deer is super cute, and this nuvodrops. So the nuvodrops I used was this one. The one that I'm going to use is called let's see, what's it, aquatic mist. And what I did was I cut out a piece of acetate paper from the small bow set, so it's this one here, which is here. And what I did was I put some nuvodrops on the edges of the bow like this, and I waited for it to dry. And once it's dried, I also before I put the nuvodrop glitters on, I kind of bent the bow, pre-bent the bow like this. So that's why you see the edges are kind of, like this middle part is kind of creased. Or you can use the side of your table and curve it a bit. So yeah, I would do that before you put the glitter drops on. And once we did that, I'm going to turn on my glue gun. And once I turn on my glue gun, I'm going to, I'm not sure if it's like, oh yeah, it still works. I'm going to put a dab of glue in the middle. Like you flip it over to where the side that doesn't have the glitter drops, and you put a dab of glue in the middle here like this. And it's quite hot, so if you have something like a finger, something like this for papers, just you could put it on like this and fold it in half and press on both sides like this, and keep pressing on it for like maybe 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it should stick in place like this. Yeah, and I'll remove the excess by pulling it off. Like there's some excess glue here, so I just pull it off like this. And I'll also dab a piece some glue gun onto this middle part here, and this piece is from here, and it's a holographic piece of paper. And let's put a dab of glue in here like that, and stick this bow, preferably the part where it doesn't have the two that you just press the glue on. So you press that, align the bow in the middle here, and press on it, and wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we have it stuck. And next is the snowflake, and I got it from here. And oops, we're gonna do the same thing, put a dab of glue gun here. But the snowflake is have it like straight down like this, and then the cross goes like this. So you place that and the circle in the middle of the bow like this. So it's sort of like, you know, the snowflake arms are going up and down here and then crisscrossing like that. And finally, we have this deer resin. And I'll list in the description box below where you can get the deer resin. And also where you can get this bow. I'll link it all down below. There. So easy. And it's very beautiful, very cute. And it's so neat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.